Hey everybody, how are you doing? This is Kieran Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be reviewing Back to Basics. So with affiliate marketing, there are so many different kinds of apps that are being bought and sold. It can be a little bit overwhelming, so sometimes we just have to go back and get to the grassroots of what affiliate marketing is. So this is a really informative crash course where if you're a newbie or you've been doing it for a while and you're just kind of getting stuck in the mud, stuck in the weeds, this is a course that's going to help you really understand. I've got demo access. I've got a lot of great bonuses as well that are going to help complement this Back to Basics. So before we get started, guys, again, this is for newbies struggling with affiliate marketing, and I've got, let's see, it goes live on July 26th at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. That is New York time, and it is being launched by Dawood Islam, and this is, I believe, his 40th launch, so he is well seasoned in affiliate marketing. He knows how to help newbies, and his team with Manoj Kumar and Walter Creamers. So guys, this is what my bonus page looks like. I want to take you down and show you what I'm going to offer you. If you use my link, I'm going to help you get some bonuses that are really going to help you if you're a newbie or you're still in the intermediate stage of affiliate marketing. So back to basics, we've got almost 4 days left as I'm writing this right now, as I'm doing this review. So you still got plenty of time, but don't wait because some of these bonuses are time sensitive, okay? So this course will help you if you're just starting out, or even if you have been trying to make money and are having problems with the technical part of it. So guys, we'll get into the front end and the upsells in a minute here. This is Dawood. He's just doing a brief introduction. This is going to be all in my bonus page that you can access anytime you want down in my description. But let me get to the bonuses that are going to help you guys. So this one is time sensitive. This is Eclipse. This is a video that was, an app that was created by my mentor, John O. Armstrong, who's letting me give it to you as a way of saying thank you for using my affiliate link. So Eclipse is very good if you don't have an email list. So if you're in the beginning stages of affiliate marketing, you probably don't have much of a list, okay? So this is going to help you. It's not launch jacking. So what I'm doing right now is considered launch jacking, where you do review videos, you make bonus pages and all that. It's not going to be like that. But it's a very simple video ad that you put over top a so-called guru's ad. So this is a way where some gurus, some people in this business with a lot of clout, high reputation, they get thousands and thousands of views on YouTube. This is a way that you're able to hack into that traffic, put a little ad in front of it, and then you're able to siphon that email traffic to your potential email, okay, to your email list. So this is going to show you how you can do that, and it's done very clearly and concisely, but you've only got 12 hours. So don't wait. This can really help you build up your email account. Second one, guys, is 2 high quality traffic sources to use. And one of these is very well known, but the other one is less known. So Jono again is going to show you how you can go into step-by-step details of how you can harness these 2 high-quality traffic sources to use for you. Okay, and third, this is a $10,000 email manifesto case study. So it's going to show you the power when you are able to get that email list growing, how you can use it by writing engaging content, and how you can do some other simple tricks to really start making your money work for you. So this is a case study. This is proven methodology, and it's step-by-step going to show you how, when you get to this stage, how you're able to do it too. Okay, and Boomerang Pro, this is another tool that is really good for newbies because it cuts down a lot of the work time. So this is a software that gets other marketers to do the work for you, okay? So when something that used to take a lot of marketers 2 or 3 hours to do, it gets slashed into just mere minutes, so like 10 minutes or so. So this is obviously a huge time saver where you can grow other parts of your business. You can work on other things. You can work on, like I say, your email list, or maybe even developing a product or getting a website created, CPA, whatever you want. But you're able to free time with your family, whatever you want. Okay, so the traffic is built in, and again, this is newbie friendly. So a perfect complement to Back to Basics. Okay, and guys, we've also got some vendor bonuses. So I wrote down the vendor bonuses that you'll be getting right here. You're going to get over 50% discount on their Academy membership, exclusive Facebook group, a massive product bundle, 20 times reseller rates, and dedicated customer support. If you decide to get this Back to Basics, these are the vendor bonuses that Dawood and his team are going to be offering you. And guys, I'm also personally going to give you 3 extra bonuses just because I'm a nice guy and I want to help you out. So here's the first one, guys, the affiliate marketing golden key. So this is, again, very newbie friendly, and it's 100% free traffic, so you're not spending any money. It's just going to show you the basics of what affiliate marketing is and also touch into what launch jacking is, okay? Now, launch jacking, a couple of years ago, was easier. It was easier to make more money, but it is still a system that does work. I can testify for that, and a lot of other people that are doing this can also testify. So this is going to show you all the steps that you need to do to start being able to make money on the side for you and get that money to grow, get your email list to grow and grow. So this is the affiliate marketing golden key. That is an extra bonus from me that you're not going to get from other vendors as a way of saying thank you. Okay, guys, and another one. So one of the things that Back to Basics is going to touch on is YouTube. And this is some information that is going to help you outrank your competitors on YouTube. So it's going to go into things, for example, like autofill and keywords, and also just looking at your competition. What are some of the videos that have just gone viral that have done very, very well? You can look at those and get ideas and how you can design and take some creative ideas from your competitors and implement it into your designs and your presentation and so forth. So this is a very powerful way, because if we can monetize YouTube, or if we can get more eyes on what we are doing, that helps in so many ways. It can help with your sales, it can help with your subscriptions, your reputation, and if you can monetize, like I say, that can even be making you money in a completely passive way. So this is, I think, a very good way to complement Back to Basics from me to you. And guys, I have a third and final bonus. Back to Basics, the 12 Facebook secrets for big profits. So this is an all-inclusive video series that goes into a lot of great detail about Facebook and how you can use this powerful tool of 3-point-something billion users to help you make profits. So it's going to get into talking about Facebook groups, going to get into images and badges and ads, free ads, paid ads, different kinds of ads, how to do the budgeting and the bidding for ads, and how to find the laser targeted traffic that is going to give you the higher probability of getting sales. So guys, that's my third and final extra bonus that I am offering you, plus all of these bonuses. We have the vendor bonuses and all these other bonuses, guys. So let's take a look at what the dashboard is to Back to Basics. So here we go, guys. This is what it looks like. So you've got your Get the Pro version here, your support, your logout, and are you ready to be elite? So these are all upsells, all right? So first of all, you just got a welcome here. Very normal situation that you have with any kind of video. You have a welcome video, give you an overview. And now this is the main training. So you're going to get a hello from some of the other teammates that Dawood has here. Some hello from Manoj, quick overview, affiliate marketing defined, affiliate programs. So that'll be like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Clickbank. Those are the big 3. Facebook. So with what I have and what they have with Facebook, you're going to be really sorted for free traffic and later on pay traffic, if that's the way you want to go. Okay, let's just, for example, check in Medium here.
Welcome back. The next method is by writing articles on medium.com, a content writing site that ranks very high in the search engines.
Okay, guys, so you're going to get some tips of things that maybe you haven't heard of that can give you a bit of an edge on other people that are in your shoes that are still kind of new or struggling a little bit with affiliate marketing, guys. And also we're going to get into Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube videos, which is why I included this. So with my bonus and this, again, you're going to be locked solid for YouTube, how to do it, how to rank higher. Okay, ebooks, there's forums, using affiliate links and wrapping things up, how to use the resources, guys. So a lot of resources here. You've got the Brown Bear bargains, you've got the free squeeze pages, the special bonus page for Back to Basics. Okay, so you can either get it from here or you can click on any of these blue tabs and it's going to take you to this page here. Okay, these are my bonuses, also the vendors bonuses, or it's going to take you to their sales page. And if you click on it right here, you're also going to get access to my bonuses and the vendor bonuses. Okay, so let's just get back to the dashboard here. So they've got the conclusion, again, more bonuses, the upgrades. So like up in the top right corner, we have the Back to Basics Pro version, the Executive Club, the reseller rights, done for you weekly campaigns, and become a beta tester for the Elite Academy. Okay, and got some unadvertised bonuses. So these are special bonuses that I didn't show you, but you're going to get some Mike from Maine bonus, Udana bonus, and Joan Altres bonus, and Manoj Kumar bonus as a way of saying thank you, guys. So once again, this is going into a lot of good detail. It's all with video, so you're going to see exactly what you need to do to learn. Now let me just take you to the sales page. So this video will be in my description down below, okay? And these are the 3 vendors. That video is also in my bonus page that you can watch on your own time. And here is some proof. We've got some dashboards here. So today, yesterday, the last 7 days, and the last 30 days. So it's done very, very well. And here's some more proof. So this is Dawood's sales dashboard on Warrior Plus. Okay, so guys, let me just take you up to the prices here. So we've got the front end at $9.95, the one-time offer at $37, the number 2 at $37, number 3 at $37, one upsell number 4 at $97, and upsell number 5 at $1,000, or 3 payments of $497. So guys, let's just read this. So we can have access the Power Back to Basics software and training modules, which is what I just showed you, and the Back to Basics Pro version. So that is the advanced basic techniques, including how to make videos without putting yourself on camera. So some people feel uncomfortable putting themselves on camera, but this is a way that you don't have to do that. So you can still make money and you don't have to be on camera. Upsell number 2 is the Executive Club at $37 with a downsell of $17. Put yourself ahead of the affiliate marketing game. Get notified at least a week before the launch. So by getting that out there, you're going to be able to be the first one. So anyone who is doing a search for this particular app that is about to be launched, you're going to be, if not the only one, but maybe one of just a few others. So you'll have that kind of advantage over other marketers. You'll get a review copy of the product and guaranteed approval. You will even get 100% commissions on the front end. Get ahead of the game and plan your campaigns early for maximum effect. So guys, for $37, this is an upsell that I think has a lot of potential. Like I said, you get that extra space in front of other marketers because you're going to be getting instant approval and you're getting a lot of these done for you things. So you're going to get the 100% approval on the front end, and you get a review copy of the product and guaranteed approval. So guys, that seems to be a pretty good value in my opinion. The reseller rights, so you get the reseller rights if it is something that you want to try and sell to others, okay, and you get 100% across the entire funnel. Done for you weekly campaigns at $97, so you get 3 done for you campaigns each and every week. So 52 weeks in a year, you're getting over 150 done for you campaigns. That is a big savings just trust me, doing a campaign, doing something like this does take a little while. So at $97, that is a huge time savings that you could put that time towards other things. So the value, time, money value, the time is a huge, huge benefit over that $97 in my opinion. So yeah, that is a good value. And you can become a beta tester for the Elite Academy at $1,000 or 3 payments of $500. Become a beta tester for his new program, the Elite Academy, and join at less than half the regular price, including a guaranteed product launch with him and passive income at least twice a month for his sales rotator. So guys, here are the summary benefits. So no actual work. It's new, unique software and training, 100% newbie friendly, proven profitable, works in any niche. And like I say, you don't need an email account. You don't need a website, any of that stuff. You're going to be trained, and just follow the training and you'll be good. And you have a 30-day money-back guarantee, guys. So you can pick any of these. You can do the front end, pick up any of the one-time offers, and if for any reason it doesn't blow your socks off, you can return it. So it's a win-win, right? And like I say, guys, you're going to get all my bonuses here. These are the 5 bonuses plus my extra 3 bonuses as a way of saying thank you. And you can just click on any of these blue tabs and it'll take you to the sales page. So guys, here's the sales page. It's basically just saying the same thing that is in my bonus page, okay? So this wraps up my review on Back to Basics. So if you are a newbie, or if you're fairly seasoned but you're just not really getting the gains that you're expecting, time to bring it back, right? KISS, keep it simple, stupid, right? So come back, look at the basics. You can study this stuff with Dawood and his team. And if you like my bonuses, I would love it if you used my affiliate link as a way of saying thank you. I've given you some extra bonuses as well. And if you got some value from this, please like, subscribe, and content. I'll be back very soon with another great review trying to help you make money online. Until then, this is Kieran Guy Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips, signing off. Thank you very much for your time. Bye.